Who says you have to fast to enjoy this delicious kheer? Fasting or not, this satisfies your sweet tooth like no other. Sabudana Kheer. Firstly, we will give sabudana a good wash. Do wash the sabudana properly before soaking, as it gets rid of excess starch and dirt if any. Sabudana is washed and excess water drained. Now, in 1 cup of water, I am soaking 1 cup of sabudana. After 3 hours, the sabudana will have bloomed like this. Neither gooey nor messy. Perfectly soaked sabudana. Next, I am putting 1 liter of milk to boil. Right now, the flame is high. After the first boil, remember to lower the flame. Gradually, you will see the cream collecting on the sides. This is when we will add the soaked sabudana. We will let the sabudana and the milk cook together for around 10 minutes. As you can see, the sabudana is floating on the top. This indicates the sabudana has been cooked. At this stage, I am adding around half a cup of sugar, 10 to 12 almonds chopped, 10 to 12 pistachios chopped, 10 to 12 cashews chopped, 1 tablespoon of Chironji or charoli seeds, 8 to 10 saffron strands, and around 2 pinches of cardamom powder. We will let the kheer cook until the milk thickens. This will take around 10 minutes. You will see the kheer thickening up. Sabudana kheer is ready. Let's garnish it with some mixed chopped dry fruits and saffron strands, and this is done. Pleasing to the eyes and heavenly to the taste buds. This is Sabudana Kheer for you. Enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.